My affectionate children, students, and other learners of English language, you all are warmly welcome to KCP Competitive English. Through this channel, you are learning so many different things. How to improve your English language in a sophisticated method, in an innovative method. Also, our channel provide you the various type of competitive question answers for the candidates. Those are appearing railways, postal, banking, and ASO examinations, etc. Yes, you keep on watching our channel. Today's topic is we have to deal with at, ADD at and AID at. Same pronunciation. At, homophones. ADD at, verb and noun. AID at, also verb and noun. You can know that the different types of usage using the both words at and at in our daily conversations. Again, so come to this slide. First we shall come to the word at, ADD at. It is a regular verb. Past tense and past participles will be added with ed. Sentence number 1. He added a little water to milk. He added a little water to milk. What is the basic meaning of add? ADD add verb, the basic meaning is join something to something else so as to increase the size, number, amount or quantity. गोटे जिनस को आ गोटे जिनस रे मिसेइबा साइज नंबर क्वांटिटी को बढ़ाइबा पाई माने दूध रे से अल्प पानी मिसेई देला. He added a little water to milk. Next sentence. If the tea is too strong, add some more water. जदि तुमर चा बेसी कड़ा हो जाइए, स्ट्रॉन्ग टी माने कड़ा चा, जदि बेसी चा कड़ा हो जाइए टिके बा अल्प पानी मिसेई दियो. If the tea is too strong, add some more water. Next sentence. Pour milk into the pot, then add the sugar and tea dust. Then it is the process of making tea. Mark the sentence. The whole sentence is a process of making tea. माने pour milk into the pot, पात्र रे दूध पकाओ, then add the sugar, तापरे चीनी, and tea dust, तापरे चीनी और चा गुंड मिसाओ. Sentence number 4. If you add 10 and 10 together, you get 20. माने 10 को जदि तुमे दुईटी 10 को मिसाओ, 10 संगे आउ गोटे 10 मिसाओ, 20 हेबो. If you add 10 and 10 together, you get 20. Next sentence. Many new words have been added to the second edition of this dictionary. Repeat the sentence. Listen to me again. Many new words have been added to the second edition of this dictionary. एई अभिधान रो द्वितीय संस्करण रे बहुत नया शब्द को मिसा जाइछि. Then sentence 6. He knew how to add and subtract. How to add किपरि मिश्रण करा जाए, जोग, subtract विजोग करा जाए से जाने, से जानी थिला. He knew how to add and subtract. Next sentence. आपण माने एमती कहि परिबे. She added that they would return a week later. Then she added that कोमा अछि देखंतु. She added that आपण कहि चाली दिबे गोटे कोनोसी कथा आ गोटे मिसेई देबे से कथा संगरे, important कथा संगरे गोटे मिसेई देबे. That means she also said that. She added that means she also said that they would return a week later. एमती बहुत लेखा जाता बही मानक आपण मैंने स्टोरी रे पढ़ी थे। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस क्लोरीन इज एडेड, क्लोरीन इज एडेड टू द वाटर टू किल बैक्टेरिया। स्पष्ट बुझा जाई पारुछि सेंटेंस को, दैट मीन्स क्लोरीन इज एडेड टू द वाटर टू किल बैक्टेरिया। Then come to the noun form of the ad. What is the noun form of the ad? Some words are there in English language. The noun form and verb form are the same. केतेक शब्द अच्छी इंग्राजी भाषा रे जो मानकर के नाउन एवं भार्बटा समान, जिमती लेबर नाउन भी लेबर भार भी लेबर, चेंज नाउन भी चेंज भार भी चेंज, किंतु एड सिमती नुह एडीडी एड भार यार नाउन फॉर्म होची एडिशन, नाउन फॉर्म एडिशन। सो we have to learn how to make sentences or how to speak sentences using the noun form of it. Children are learning addition and subtraction. Children are learning addition and subtraction. Next sentence. The newborn was an addition to the family. The newborn means when newly born child. The newborn was an addition to the family means the newborn baby is a newcomer to the family. Sentence 3. Make chicken curry with the addition of potatoes. Make chicken curry with the addition of potatoes. Then come to the at, A-I-D. A-I-D at. What is the basic meanings of at? It has also can be used in some many figurative use. It has also some many other meanings. But basic meaning is, that means AID at, help or support somebody or something in the achievement of something. साहाଯ୍य करिबा, समर्थन करिबा अर्थरे, असिस्ट करिबा अर्थरे एट व्यवहार करा जाए। मार्क हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश यूजिंग एट। 1 आपण ओडिया रे सुनंतु सेंटेंस 1 को। कैदी को जेल रु खसाइबारे सेमाने साहाଯ୍य करिथिबारु दोषी साब्यस्त हेले। देखो सेंटेंस डिफिकल्ट हेले भी यहाँ बहुत सहज ट्रांसलेट करने आम आम डेली लैंग्वेज रे कहवाई चेष्टा करेंगे। कैदी को जेल रु खसाइबारे सेमाने साहाଯ୍य करिथिबारु दोषी साब्यस्त हेले। हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। They were accused of aiding the prisoners escape from the jail. They were accused of aiding the prisoners escape from jail. Sentence 2. Financially the company did not add to the family. Financially the company did not add to the family. माने परिवार को कंपनी आर्थिक साहाय्य देला नहीं। Next sentence. He jumped into the water to aid the drowning child. He jumped into the water to aid the drowning child. बुड़ी जाउथवा पिलाटी को रक्षा करिबा पई, साहाय्य करिबा पई से वाटर को बा नदी को डेई पड़िले। That means rescue. Aid means help, assist, rescue, save ये जगह रे। Okay. Then come to add as a noun. How can he speak various type of sentences and also in use in our language using the at as a noun word? You should keep a first aid kit. You should keep a first aid kit on hand for minor injury. आमे कहूँ फर्स्ट एड किट अच्छी, फर्स्ट एड किट थाए घरे भी। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस। द वर्क वाज डन विथ द एड ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर। दैट मीन्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर। सेंटेंस 3। She applied for a financial aid for her higher study. She applied for a financial aid for her higher study. That means bank loan, etc. Financial aid. The school has sufficient teaching aids. Look at the slide very carefully, also its illustrations with the pictures. The school has sufficient teaching aids. आमे कौन teaching aids? शिक्षक teaching aids रे पढ़ांती. The teachers use teaching aids when he teach his classes. Sentence number 5. They seek aid and advice of teachers. They seek aid and advice means aid and advice. That means they need and they search for the aid and advice of their teachers. Okay? So in this way, we use that ADD aid and AID aid in very meaningful sentences using its noun form and verb form. Okay? So this much today, and keep on watching our channel regularly. We have also dealt you, we also provide you many question answer from the competitive examinations like banking, railways, postals and ASO etc. Yes, thanks for your watching.